Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is February the 13th, 2019. This is the home of the 2-minute price prediction as well as giving you all the news according to the charts. Today we're going to talk about Tesla and who's right about Tesla stock. Okay, there is varying opinions about which direction Tesla is going to go. We're going to talk about that. There's multiple articles of individuals and institutions buying Tesla stock. And then there's the opposite side to where we have people and institutions selling Tesla stock. So we're going to look at the articles and then we're going to transition over to the price chart to see which of these two camps are actually in the right side or on the right side of the market right now. Okay, so before I get started in that analysis, I always got to give you my plug. If this is your first time coming to this particular channel, do not forget to go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you all go ahead and like and share this content as well, because we're giving you all the news according to the charts and give you all the ability to see for yourself, to distinguish between a lot of the cloudiness and the fogginess that is being reflected on multiple articles for any particular stock. So make sure that you all go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And as well, we do have a website, HueFinancial.com. Go ahead and check that place out. We do have a lot more information there for you all if you're interested in the content that we are providing you. So now, let's go ahead and get started in our analysis for Tesla stock. And we got to determine which camp is on the right side of the trade. Okay. The first article, which is by TechCrunch, starts off with the title: one of Tesla's biggest investors upped its stake by more than $30 million 5 days ago. Okay, one of Tesla's biggest investors is Baillie Gifford and Company. The second biggest shareholder of Tesla stock has increased its stake in the electric automaker and energy storage company. They increased its stake in Tesla from 7.64% at the end of the third quarter to 7.71% at the end of the fourth quarter. Now, the article goes on to state that that doesn't sound like a lot, but it translates into 109,000 Tesla shares in the fourth quarter, which, if you put that on a monetary basis, would be around $32 million worth of stock being bought. Baillie Gifford now owns about 13.2 million shares of Tesla stock, according to the regulator filing. That translates to more than $4 billion worth of Tesla based on the latest share price of $304.26, which it is not that price today. So obviously that amount has changed. But you can all see here that this particular institution is seeing a lot of positivity for Tesla stock in the future, because if they didn't, they wouldn't have bought more shares of this particular company. Baillie Gifford is the largest outside shareholder of Tesla stock. Obviously, the first one would be the CEO, Elon Musk. He's the largest shareholder. He owns about 20% of the company. But Baillie Gifford appears to be increasingly interested in electric vehicles. In October of last year, 2018, the company took a stake in NIO. That's the Chinese Tesla of the electric vehicle market. Baillie Gifford now owns 11.44% stake in NIO. So it seems as if Baillie Gifford is just trying to encompass the whole EV market. It's not that they're more interested in Tesla as a company. They're just spreading their chips around so that it's either one of them pops, they'll be able to recoup the benefits once this EV market really grabs hold and mass adoption takes place. Baillie Gifford will be there to rake in all the profits. So Baillie Gifford is not necessarily in the camp of Tesla stock moving higher. They're showing some positivity in that sense because they only increased their shareholders in the fourth quarter last year by a minimal amount, about $30 million, which in their particular situation might merely be pennies to them. Okay, so we have Baillie Gifford, who's in the camp that they're expecting Tesla to move higher. Then you have Canaccord Genuity. Tesla shares jump after Canaccord Genuity upgrades the stock and predicts a 40% rally. That came out on the 11th of February 2019. They upgrade Tesla stock from a hold rating to a buy rating and raises its 12-month price target to $450 per share, which was originally $330 per share. They are definitely in the camp of Tesla stock moving to the upside. It goes on into this article of why they're expecting Tesla to move to the upside. I'm not going to spend too much time in that aspect because we only strictly focus on giving you all the news according to the chart. So we got two camps, two companies that are vying for Tesla stock to move higher. Then we have T. Rowe Price. Last quarter, they went ahead and slashed by half the shares of stock of Tesla they have in their books. This article came out February the 11th, 2019. The title reads, Big Tesla stockholder T. Rowe Price slashes his stake. The second largest holder of Tesla stock has cut its holdings roughly in half. So we already have the big three companies or individuals who have the majority shares of Tesla stock. The first one is Elon Musk. T. Rowe Price is the second, and Bailey Gifford is the third. T. Rowe Price Group disclosed in Monday's filing to the Securities and Exchange Commission that as of December 31st, it owned 8.98 million Tesla shares, a 5.2 stake in the maker of electric cars. That is down from the 17.4 million Tesla shares that the asset manager owned at September 30th, 2018, a stake of 10.2%. Now, T. Rowe Price owns even fewer Tesla shares that it held at the end of the second quarter, 11.9 million shares. So we have T. Rowe Price is on the other side of the companies that are expecting Tesla to move higher. They're looking for, I will state, Tesla to move to the downside, and then they might fill up or buy more of this stock at a cheaper price. I wanted to show you this Market Beat website, okay? And this is a website that gives you all of the analyst ratings. And as of today, as a hold, the consensus rating is a hold, okay? The ratings breakdown, you all can see that 14 analyst ratings are a sell. We have 9 hold ratings and then 14 buy ratings. So literally it's a 50-50 split between the bulls and the bears. The consensus price target is at $327. So again, we need to pay attention to the price chart to try to distinguish between which is winning in the market. You can see right here on February the 11th, 2019, this is when Canaccord Genuity upgraded their rating. You have Royal Bank of Canada with a sell rating. You have Morgan Stanley with a hold rating. DZ Bank has a sell rating. You have JP Morgan Chase with a underweight rating. So they're looking for Tesla stock to move to the downside as well. JPM Securities has an outperform rating. Goldman Sachs has a sell rating on Tesla stock. UBS Group has a sell rating. Needham and Company LLC has a sell rating. Bank of America has a sell rating. Cohen has a sell rating. There's a lot of individuals, companies who are expecting Tesla stock to move to the downside. So now let's take a look at the price chart to see what the price chart is telling us. Let's take a look at Tesla on the monthly chart real quick. So as you can tell by this Market Beat website, it's been a 50-50 split between the buyers and the sellers. And that is literally what the price chart is telling us on the monthly bars. We have just been bouncing up and down the support and resistance area in this market for Tesla. Now, amongst this consolidation that we've been trading in, overwhelmingly, we're seeing indications to where the market is being dumped and people are selling their shares of Tesla. Okay, the market is not reflecting strength as of this particular moment on the monthly chart. So the sellers do have a advantage from that perspective on the monthly price chart. Looking at Tesla on the weekly chart, again, we're not seeing a lot of strength in the market for Tesla. But if you've been watching our videos previously about Tesla, we've been telling you all that $300 is the last support area in the market for Tesla. If it breaks to the downside, $300, then definitely the bears are dominating the market in Tesla, and you will be expecting this stock to continue to move to the downside. Right now, the weekly chart is not giving us any strength, but $300 is still a support area, so the market can still move to the upside. The buyers and the bulls in the market has a little bit more life support left as long as it stays above $300. The moment that Tesla stock breaks to the downside of $300, then the bulls lost, and you would expect this particular stock to continue its movement to the downside. Right now, the bulls are losing. Okay, we're kind of in the beginning half of the fourth quarter, and the bulls are not winning. The bears are definitely dominating this market in Tesla. The weekly chart is still reflecting more weakness than strength. The monthly chart is reflecting more weakness than strength. And then you look at it on the daily price chart for Tesla, and you'll still see here that there's no strength being revealed in the market. Okay, so I'm telling you now that the price chart is reflecting that the bears or the sellers in the market are definitely winning this race in Tesla right now. But the bulls can pull it out if they're able to trade above $300. If they can't, then the bulls lost and the bears will definitely win the match, and we will break to the downside of this support area. So now our analysis for Tesla stock is with the bears. The price chart is telling us that the stock is weak. We're not seeing any strength, but there still is a opportunity for the bears to come on. For the bulls to come out on top as long as it trades above $300 and find some strength at that $300 price. That is what everyone is paying attention to who has an interest in Tesla stock. That's our analysis. The price chart is telling us that the bears are winning, the bulls are losing. Give us your thoughts, give us your opinions. We're still seeing weakness in the market for Tesla stock. We're not seeing any strength coming in as of yet, but it can happen as we continue to see us try to trade above $300. Give us your thoughts, give us your opinions. We do appreciate you all taking the opportunity out to watch this video. Before I go, make sure that you all go ahead and subscribe, like, and share this content, because we're giving you all the news according to the charts. Don't forget to check out our website at HueFinancial.com. Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will see you later.